Speak up, unpacking the phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into a common English phrase, speak up. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's dive right in. Speak up literally means to increase the volume of one's voice. It's a request or command for someone to talk louder. Example, if someone is talking in a whisper or low voice and you're having trouble hearing them, you might say, "Can you speak up, please?" Apart from its literal meaning, speak up can also be used figuratively. In this context, it means to express one's opinion or feelings openly and confidently. Example, if someone is being mistreated, a friend might advise, "You should speak up about how you feel." 1. In a classroom, a teacher might ask a student to speak up if they're answering a question too quietly. 2. During meetings, if someone has a valuable idea but is hesitant to share, a colleague might encourage them to speak up. 3. In relationships, if one partner feels that there's an issue, the other might ask them to speak up about their feelings. So, there you have it. Speak up can either be a simple request to talk louder or an encouragement to share feelings or opinions. English is filled with phrases like this that have both literal and figurative meanings. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, speak up, and that you feel more confident using it. Keep learning, and remember, don't hesitate to speak up and ask questions when you're learning English.